Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the keyboard, safety first. Once done, remove the keycap for the space key using a keycap puller or thin spudger. Apply steady, even force so clips don't snap. Make sure to photograph the stabilizer and switch orientation. This avoids reversal later. If your keyboard uses a separate battery or is built into a laptop, remove power sources and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Now that the cap is off, inspect the stabilizer and switch for clips, screws, or clips that must be released. You'll next address the stabilizer and switch. First, unclip or unscrew the stabilizer bar from its housing. Keep springs and inserts aligned and clean. If your switch is hot swappable, pull it straight out and push the new switch in until it seats. If soldered, desolder carefully, remove the switch, then solder the replacement, heat, wick, and secure. Once the new switch and stabilizer are in place, gently press the keycap to test travel and alignment. Make adjustments to wire position so motion is smooth and centered. You're finishing up. Reattach the space keycap, reconnect power, and boot into a key testing tool or your OS's keyboard viewer to confirm consistent actuation and correct scan code. If travel feels wobbly, make sure stabilizer inserts are seated and clips are flush. Tighten any retaining screws and reseat the switch if it feels intermittent. If the key is dead, inspect solder joints for cold solder, ensure switch pins are straight, and verify no firmware remap blocks the space input. One troubleshooting tip: reflow questionable solder joints before replacing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.